Sandwiches are a classic meal or snack. They are versatile, easy to make, and can be enjoyed by people of all ages. Whether you prefer a simple peanut butter and jelly or a gourmet creation, sandwiches have a special place in our hearts and kitchens, but sometimes we want a healthier option. Traditional sandwiches can be loaded with processed meats and high-calorie spreads, which might not always align with our health goals. A veggie sandwich is the perfect answer. It's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that our bodies need. By choosing fresh vegetables, we can create a meal that is both satisfying and good for us. Packed with fresh vegetables, it's a delicious and nutritious choice. Think of vibrant bell peppers, crunchy cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and leafy greens all coming together in one delightful bite. Let's make a simple, tasty veggie sandwich together. Start by gathering your favorite vegetables. You can use anything you like. The more colorful, the better. This sandwich is quick to make. In just a few minutes, you can have a wholesome meal ready to go. Perfect for those busy days when you need something fast but don't want to compromise. On nutrition. It's great for a quick lunch or a light dinner. Pair it with a side of fruit or a small salad, and you have a complete meal that will keep you energized throughout the day. You can easily customize it with your favorite veggies. Add some avocado for creaminess, a sprinkle of seeds for crunch, or a dash of your favorite dressing to elevate the flavors. Get ready to enjoy a healthy and satisfying meal. With every bite, you'll be treating yourself to a burst of flavors and a boost of nutrients. So why not give it a try today? To make this delicious veggie sandwich, you will need a few simple ingredients. You can find most of these at your local grocery store. Choose a healthy bread, like whole wheat or multigrain. Hummus adds a creamy texture and a boost of protein. Avocado adds healthy fats and a satisfying richness. Grab your favorite veggies. Lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and onion are all great choices. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's put this sandwich together. This is where the magic happens, and you get to be as creative as you want. Think of it as an art project, but tastier. Lay out 2 slices of bread on a clean surface. Make sure the bread is fresh and to your liking, whether it's whole grain, sourdough, or even a gluten-free option. Take a generous spoonful of hummus and spread it evenly on 1 slice of bread. Hummus adds a creamy texture and a burst of flavor, plus it's packed with protein. Slice your avocado and layer it on top of the hummus. Avocado not only adds a rich buttery taste, but also provides healthy fats that are good for your heart. Wash and slice your vegetables. Freshness is key here, so make sure your veggies are crisp and clean. You can use anything from tomatoes and cucumbers to bell peppers and spinach. Add them to your sandwich. Layer them in a way that each bite gives you a mix of flavors and textures. You can add as many or as few as you like. This is your masterpiece, so feel free to customize it to your taste. Maybe add some pickles for a tangy twist or some sprouts for extra crunch. Top your sandwich with the other slice of bread. Press down gently to make sure everything stays in place. This helps the flavors meld together. You can cut your sandwich in half if you like. Cutting it makes it easier to handle and gives it a nice presentation. Now, take a moment to admire your creation before you dig in. Enjoy every bite. Section 4. Fueling your body, the nutritional stars. This veggie sandwich is not only delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients. Each ingredient has been carefully selected to provide a balance of flavors and health benefits. From the fresh, crisp vegetables to the creamy, rich avocado, every bite is a step towards better health. Hummus is made from chickpeas, which are a good source of protein and fiber. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, while fiber aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Including hummus in your sandwich not only enhances the taste, but also boosts its nutritional value. This helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. The combination of protein and fiber in chickpeas ensures that you stay energized throughout the day, making it an excellent choice for a midday meal or a quick snack. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, which are good for your heart and brain. These monounsaturated fats help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, avocados are packed with vitamins such as vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. It also adds a creamy texture to the sandwich. The smooth, buttery consistency of avocado makes it a perfect spread, enhancing the overall mouthfeel of the sandwich and making each bite more enjoyable. Fresh vegetables are low in calories and high in vitamins and minerals. They provide essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and folate, which support various bodily functions, including immune health and blood pressure regulation. They add flavor, crunch, and a variety of nutrients to your meal. Incorporating a rainbow of vegetables ensures that you get a wide range of antioxidants and phytonutrients, which can help protect against chronic diseases and keep your body functioning optimally. So next time you make a sandwich, remember to load it up with these nutritional stars for a delicious and healthful meal. To Section 5, a world of flavor awaits. This recipe is a great starting point. You can easily customize your sandwich to your liking. Try different kinds of bread, experiment with sourdough, rye, or wraps. Explore different spreads. Try pesto, guacamole, or even a spicy mustard. Add more protein. Grilled tofu or tempeh make great additions. Spice it up, add some hot sauce, chili flakes, or jalapenos for an extra kick. Section 6. Embrace the veggie sandwich revolution. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. This veggie sandwich is a testament to that. It's easy to make, full of flavor, and good for you. So next time you're looking for a quick and satisfying meal, skip the takeout and treat yourself to this delicious sandwich. Your taste buds and your body will thank you.